Hello, thank you very much for stopping by. I am Soma and welcome back to my channel. If you're here for the first time, I make videos on personal development and lifestyle. And if this is your cup of tea, you're here to explore more about yourself and the potential that you have got. You're in the right nook. And feel free to go through the content, hit the subscribe button, and join this very small community. All right, then today we're going to talk about very simple things about being, doing something with our lives which can bring back the comfort, the childhood, the simple pleasures of life, and what is best other than nature. And of course, ghar ka khana. So today, come inside, come with me in the kitchen while we cook up very simple food with the limited groceries that we have right now, with full lockdown going on, and a bit of fresh air never hurts. So this is nature, and then there's food, and that's it. Simple things in life are the best things. So today we're going to cook, and come on in and join me.
Comfort for me is my home, my corner, my zone. In the last 1 year stuck in home and continuously at home, all I want is to step away and travel anywhere, somewhere. Comfort for me is also coming back home after a long stint of travel. Comfort of your own bed, pillow, and food from your kitchen. Simple food, the basics. Nothing is more rewarding and comforting than comfort. So, if the last few months have been overwhelming, a day dedicated to bring back comfort in my life is all I want. And today, that's what I'm doing. My morning today is very simple. The basic food that everybody loves around this household is idli, a warm, sumptuous idli. Growing up, I didn't eat idli every single day. I'm a Bengali, and idli was something that we had once in a while. But staying in Hyderabad for more than 10 years now, this is something that I have grown accustomed to. And frankly, right now, I love a hot steaming idli. Did I also mention right now we have limited grocery? There is a full lockdown going on, which means, we can't go out to get grocery. We definitely can order, and that is what we do. So sometimes the idli batter is homemade, sometimes is just bought from the store. Today I'm using a store box idli batter, and I thought it's summer and I had some raw mangoes, which as you can see is almost, on the verge of getting ripened. But I love a good chutney of mango and mint with thrown in with some chili and ginger. And I thought, we used to actually have a lot of this chutney growing up as a kid. And I thought it would be really nice to make the same chutney. And I really think it would go really well with the idli as well. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to chop up some, yummy mango, and then I have a pile of mint that I think we just got yesterday, and some green chili, and then saute them lightly in a pan, throw them in a mixie, make sure to cool it, and then that's it. Voila, your chutney is done. By the time your chutney is done, your idli is also out. Like, steam it for 10 minutes and it's done. And that's the best part about comforting food. It's simple, delicious, hot, and steaming idli. That is what comfort food for me is right now. So I'm just going to, put them on a plate and serve them right now on the, dining table. Right now, it's five of us at home. My parents are also here, and I find it extremely certain and comforting that they are also here. So there's no risk of, always worrying and being worried about what is going on with them in Calcutta. So with breakfast done, it's time for lunch now. Another thing I've realized during this lockdown period is how amazing it is to not worry about small things. Like if everything is perfect or not, everything is cleaned, everything is in its place. With everyone being at home and having a small kid at home, things are definitely not perfect. House is cluttered, there is like crayons and toys and small knickknacks everywhere in the house. And I have learned to accept them and completely be okay with it instead of constantly worrying why is it so untidy and not good. So today's lunch is going to be a very simple lunch of just rice, lal dal or masoor dal, and then it's aloo bhaja or aloo fry on the side with a bit of chicken curry. No Bengali meal is complete without probably a fish fry or a fish curry. But Rio really likes chicken, so I thought today I'm going to make that for him. My snacks usually are something that I try to punch in and squeeze in, like something nutritious, like sprouted chana. But today is a special day, so I had to open up my bag full of goodies and I brought out the mini pizzas that I had ordered just to, once in a while spruce in a little bit of surprise for the 6-year-old who has been stuck in home for a really long time. And he absolutely loves pizzas. These days, we don't even order food out as much. Every single time I've ordered, I have realized that the food quality either wasn't as good, and I'm not sure why. It could be the reason that, maybe the restaurants are not making as much fresh food anymore. I'm not sure. Most of the time, we ended up getting sick. So that's why it's mostly home cooked meal, even during the days when it's extremely busy and you're working full time. During the weekdays, we still cook 3 times a day. And so today, this is a little bit of comfort and happiness bought in these very small packages of mini pizzas for the 6-year-old. And all I had to do is just put in some tomato paste that we had, basically a pizza pasta sauce, and then he enjoyed it with bunch of mozzarella cheese thrown in, a bit of chicken slices that we had that was ordered from Licious, and it was absolutely yummy. Even I had a slice. So small things, small things can really make or break a day, and I think little things in life are so comforting. I was tired after so much of cooking, especially given that it's summer. So I had to take a bit of a cooler, and walking up in the terrace, it was really nice. The sky was amazing. It didn't feel like, the world was going through COVID and so much was going on. By the end of the day, we were all hungry again, and dinner was again something that is very, something that we cook often in our house, but not all the time. So it was just stuffed pea kachori and aloo dum, and it was very simple, but it did take a little bit of time to cook. And by the time everything was done and cooked, well, it's all a blur because we were all hungry and we ended up eating it. So I really don't have a picture of all of us eating it, but there you go. There's a picture of it. That's the only thing I have. And that's it. That was my entire day of eating yummy food. And I just winded down with more food, watching more comforting food that I could find on the web.
Well, if you
And
still
that
here,
was my
thank
day.
you so much for stopping by today and watching the video. If you do like the content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get to know every time a video goes up, right? So thanks once again, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.